You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is a brand name, also the name of the Greek gods of the winds. For more names from Greek, make sure to stay tuned. Greek god of wind. Anemoi. In Greek it's said as anemoi, anemoi, but in English, anemoi, anemoi, anemoi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.